Magiga yoborai wekiama kia ODM wetera National Executive Council NEC kumwaka Isiko muri kyo munene wekiama ikyo ni Sifuna nigo bona babwatani wekiama ikyo kurwa sorogongo rwa gusiba bwatukire berengerero byabo abo Beavon Magare oyuro munyakero go munene wekiombe ky'abasaye serikali yobomo iminse ya Kenya negati yababwatani abo barure berengerero byabo kubwatikana no gwako Isiko kwa Edwin Sifuna nigo Magare agokerege tambukire kyo asekeri atebiribuna abarayi bari bakogenda mamincha n'amachiko yekiama ikyo nigo babwenderete konyorege suro buna ekyo asichinga kecho nigo aborire abarayi bari bacorire nekiama kyodiam korende barorekanire bagosire kibyama binde kurwa sorgongo rwagusi gucia gwetiye meremo rimo ryokana ko eneke osena kwena nalibaga obochori koirorerwa asebiroge byo byabo asikirina nigo bakogenda mamincha n'amachiko yekiama ekyo buna petrol machine ariganiri oroboti urwo ase obwagare.
Having deliberated on matters relating to the conduct of the Secretary General, Senator Edwin Sifuna, the NEC resolved to remove him from office with immediate effect.
Neritukeri morioka maiga yekiombekeria kia National Executive Council yekiama kia ODM kumwaka Isiko yokabiro muri kyo manene bwe kia mekyo Edwin Sifuna gati ABABWATANI hawe kia mekyo kia ODM wakurorongo rwagusi bakora wanere Beavon Magare oyuro munyakiro go manene bwe kiombe kia basaye kia serikali yobomo gose broad-based mense ya Kenya aisokire nago kwanira igoro yege tambukire kyo asikire atebino ni gabara ibalia bakogena mamincha n'amachiko yekia mekyo bobonetse konyorege surubune kyo.
The removal of defiant party members, specifically in this case we now talking about our former SG Bwana Senator Sifuna Edwin, and we want to congratulate the National Executive Council of the Orange Democratic Movement for their timely move to make sure that our party is fully in line with the operations of the broad-based government. The agreement which our former party leader, the late Raila Odinga, arrangement where he left us in.
Okwana abari kimwe mu cyobosongo nigo magara mo kire barayabo batari ABABWATANI bekiama kia ODM asoko andra ko mo cyekyo kia NEC asige tambukiro gyo ko mwaka Isiko Sifuna.
I have seen a number of Kenyans who are not members of the party, who are members of various parties, trying to advise and give their opinion on matters that really rest on the National Executive Council, that it was wrong for the SG to be removed from the party for defying the orders and the operations within the party. My thought and my opinion is that anywhere in the world, there is nowhere where loyalty is questionable. If you want to work with the ODM, you have to toe by and work with the policies that govern the democratic space within the ODM.
Chinga kichicho nigo babori abarayibalia bacorine kiama kia ODM kurende barekanira bagosire byama binde kurongo rwagusi ocegwetike mirimo rimoriyoka na kwena riba gobocori ko irorerwa asebiroge bibyabo asikire nigo bakwena mu mince namagani yekiama kyo.
We asking the local members of parliament from the Gusii region, especially those who are saying that now they have now moved to the Jubilee party. We want them to resign so that we conduct by-elections and see their popularity from the new houses that they have chosen to ride. The Sifuna issue is an issue that is going to be replicated across all the positions. Members of parliament from the Gusii region who have said that they have now changed parties and moved to either Jubilee or UPA or any other different party. We know the Executive Council is going to give direction by whipping off the members from the party list, and we are ready for by-elections.
Nigobono barireira n'abaribe serikali yo bo makurorongo rwagusi mbachikobwaterana kwirorongo rwagusi amonense ya Kenya mutwe.
We from the Gusii region, specifically from the Kisii and Nyamira counties, we now going to get on the road to fully mobilize members of the party to stand in the position of the party and guide the party members from the grassroots on how well they're going to be part of the national discourse ahead of the 2027 elections. From our region, we're lucky that we have both the national treasurer and the deputy party leader from this region, who I know will fully work with the remaining team to make sure that we move this country and the politics of this country to another level.
Kwa reporteria Isiko TV, kurwa omochobo songo, nchepethuel, Machin.